extrovert, socialite, mingler. Some people enjoy being around others. Some live inside social circles. And some can walk into a room and talk to everyone. These words sound related, but they are not the same. Here is the difference. First, extrovert. An extrovert is a person who gains energy from social interaction. The focus is psychological. An extrovert often enjoys large groups, conversation, activity, and social environments. Now notice this. This word describes personality more than social status or behavior. An extrovert may love being with people, even in ordinary situations. The key point is internal energy. Social interaction feels energizing, not exhausting. Now, socialite. A socialite is a person who is well known in social circles, especially parties, galas, fashion events, or elite gatherings. This word is strongly connected to public social life and status. Now notice this. A socialite is not simply social. The word often suggests visibility, popularity, wealth, or a glamorous lifestyle. The focus is social position and public presence. Finally, mingler. A mingler is a person who moves easily through a crowd and talks to many different people. This word focuses on behavior. During social interaction, a mingler may go from group to group, from conversation to conversation, very naturally. Now notice this. A mingler does not need high social status, and a mingler is not necessarily an extrovert. The key idea is social movement and easy interaction. So here is the key. An extrovert gains energy from people. A socialite lives inside public social circles. A mingler moves comfortably between many conversations. All three are social people, but each word describes a different kind of social life.